Hello and welcome to day 25 of Figuary. The idea is that you watch the daily guidance video here at Love Life Drawing and then go to the Croquis Cafe channel and do their daily practice session. So as we've talked about before, our brains get in the way a lot when we're drawing figures. It has these preconceptions about how figures should look, and our drawings get distorted by that. But fortunately, our brains don't have these preconceptions about the negative space in the pose. So we can start to look at that negative space and use that to help us with our drawings. So what should we look for in a negative space? How should we use it? That's what we're going to talk about today. So negative space is the space around what you're drawing. So this is negative space, for example. And as with most other shapes, especially in short poses, you don't need the details of the shape, but you need the big simplified picture. So when you're doing your figure drawing, every now and then observe the negative space and see if your drawing has it about right. And very often you might not see problems in the drawing until you check the negative space. Look for some basic information about its overall shape, not the details. Is it wider than it is tall? What are the important angles in it? These are very similar things that you would look for in the figure. Also, negative space doesn't just have to be the areas where you can see all the way through to the background behind the model. It's the shape of the space around any part of the figure that you're trying to understand. So negative space also doesn't have to be just contained shapes. So when you're drawing the chin or the jaw, you can look for the shape created underneath it. And after a while, some of these checks on negative space will be automatic, and they might even happen without really consciously thinking about it too much. I wanted to let you know about our upcoming Life of Drawing program. It's a 10-week learning and practice program starting in April. It's designed to turn knowledge into real skill so that you can do beautiful figure drawings. Enrollment will be in March. Make sure you're on our newsletter at lovelifedrawing.com/lifedrawingsuccess to stay up to date on it, and we'll send you our guide Life Drawing Success when you sign up to that too. So during today's practice session, especially during the 2 and 5 minute poses, see if you can start to build the habit of checking that negative space. Is the overall shape of it about right in your drawings? Good luck with your practice session. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you here tomorrow.